Advent calendars are the perfect gift for Christmas, but this year they are even more expensive. So I decided to buy and unbox the cheapest Advent calendars that I could find this year. And today we're gonna be unboxing the cheapest Advent calendar from Temu. It is super cute. I have paid $13 for this one. It is a crazy price for a makeup Advent calendar. Make sure to stay until the end to find out the overall value of all the products, the size of my head, the size of the Advent calendar. The design is super cute. It looks like a tree with the ornaments. Oh, okay. Empty box here. These are our products. Oh no, they did not do that. They have them in the correct order. We want the excitement to find the next door. In every Advent calendar unboxing, we're doing a guessing game. So for this one, I'm gonna say 7 right guesses because in the previous Advent calendar, I did horribly. And this Advent calendar is by the brand Popfil. And by the way, the packaging smells so chemical. Okay, so door number 1 is right here and it looks like a small palette. I'm gonna say an eyeshadow palette, okay? It doesn't move. What can it be? Dun 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 dun. Oh, yeah, it's not. So this is a Popfil Keep Matte Face Powder. Okay, we have a plastic layer. I don't remember ever trying products by Popfil. Let's do this. Ooh, so satisfying. Da 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 da. It's so cute. It looks like this is a place for a mirror, but you know, this product is less than $1. I'm curious to see the color of it because I don't think it is completely transparent. It looks like a very light shade that I'm not even sure that I can use. And of course it has a light powdery scent like baby powder. This looks like a full size. We started very well. Hearts everywhere. Door number 2. Okay, so this looks like a lipstick or a mini lip pencil. Definitely a lip product. I'm gonna say a lipstick, even though it is very lightweight. Oh no, it's not a lipstick. It is a nail file. They are always useful, right? Door number 3. I'm gonna say again a lipstick. We have, I don't know, how do we open this? Such a complicated box. Dun dun dun! And we have a lipstick! And we have the shade LB01. Who knows what that means? Oh no, what happened to my lipstick? It is tortured. We always have quality issues with Temu makeup products. What is that, Temu? Oh, this is very summery. A nice corally shade. And it doesn't smell. That's a nice color. Not Christmassy at all, by the way. Door number 4. It's very lightweight. I'm gonna say tweezers. Oh my gosh. We have 2 doe foot applicators. These are great for creamy eyeshadows. At least we have 2. In other Advent calendars, we would have half of this one. Door number 5. This feels like a lipstick again. And it is not a lipstick. So this one is the Popfil Waterproof Brow.
What brow?
Moment of truth. Oh, it smells. The scent is horrific. And the color is not gonna match me. It is a little bit lighter than some of my highlights and it would be better if it was a transparent one. Door number 6. Lip pencil. Oh, what is going on here? Oh no! Is this a brow razor? I'm really terrified to use it. I have seen a lot of times that people are using this product for the fuzzy hair of their face. I'm really scared to do that. I don't want to get a beard. Door number 7. Okay, this is going to be a lip gloss. Oh, it's not. And this is the Instant Lift Eyebrow Pencil. And let's see the color. Ooh, so we have a spoolie, and on the other side, let's see the color. This is for someone with light brown hair. The issue is it's not gonna match a lot of people. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more unboxings and other exciting videos that are coming on this channel. And about the brow pencil, you know, at least it is a full size. Following that, we have door number 8, which is not moving a lot. Maybe a mascara. And we have a lip product. So this one is the Ultra Matte Lip. Let's see the color that we have. Again, it doesn't look very Christmassy. It has somehow a plasticky scent. Δεν πολύ καλοκαιρινό. Husband not approved. Moving on to door number 9, which is very thin. It doesn't move, so it is definitely in a box. Is this good news, bad news? Lip pencil. Don. And it's not in a box.
What is this?
We have one more liquid lipstick in black. What is this color selection? On the scent. Oh boy, oh no, that was a very bad idea. The scent is like, how can I explain it? Petroleum? Gas for your car. I don't know why I was expecting amazing products. And then we have door number 10. Sharpener. Yes, it's not a sharpener.
Okay, I don't know what it is.
It looks like a blush or an eyeshadow. It's very bright. Ay. It's not as bright as it looks. It doesn't blend so well. It is a little bit splotchy. It's not promising. And the color again is for a summer makeup look. Door number 11. Oh my god, this is empty.
This is definitely empty.
I'm gonna say nail stickers. It's not empty. So we have some brow stencils. So we have 3 different designs. That's really nice actually. And we have some little hearts. They are super cute. I don't know if any of these can actually look nice for me. And these are actually very flexible, so you can use them easily on your face. And here we have door 12. Lip balm. It's a very lightweight product. I don't know. Oh, it's glitter. Glitter on glitter. And again, we don't have a shade. I don't want to open it because I already have glitter on my fingers. This is dangerous. I don't know if these are actually makeup glitter or for DIY projects. I need to step up my game because so far I have guessed right only one product. One. Door 13. I want to say a lip gloss. Maybe it is a liquid lipstick. Open sesame. No, it's a mascara. And I was thinking about that.
Look at my sake.
So this is a waterproof mascara and it seems like it is a black mascara. What happened to this mascara? Fake mascara tube. Oh no, it's that mascara again. It's not a good brush for mascaras. It reminds a flowery perfume. Not ideal for a mascara. So far the variety is not that bad, right? Door number 14 is a big one. Ooh, it's a heavy one. I need to guess this right. I'm gonna say an eyeshadow palette. Oh, another box. Inception. And this is the 4 colors face makeup palette. So close. For external use only. Okay, we're not gonna eat it. Ooh, cute. It looks like bubbles. Oh, it is actually like this. The pants are huge. Ooh, it's like an illusion. Wow. Oh boy, the scent is atrocious. Perfume and baby powder. And I'm curious what are the shades. This is white. Then we have this brownish. Then we have this beautiful pink one. The pigmentation is not there. This corally one. Again, where is my color? The scent is so intense. I don't know if I can use any of these products. And let's go now to the second set of boxes. Ooh, the 15. I'm gonna say again an eyeshadow palette. It's not very heavy though. Oh, it's another box. We have some plastic wrap and a palette of some sort. It is like a huge mini palette. We have 45 eyeshadows in this tiny palette. By the way, it is so flimsy. I hope they are better than the face products. Spoilers, they're not. Okay, so you can find at least 10 eyeshadows that you can use. After that, door 16. Maybe an eyeliner. Yeah, we didn't have one. It's not an eyeliner. We have one more ultra matte lip and the color is very, very light. This color would be nice for an eyeshadow. This can look better for someone with a lighter skin tone. Now let's go to door 17. I'm gonna say an eye pencil. Moment of truth. No way! It's an eye pencil!
It smells terribly.
Let's see the creaminess. It's okay. Moving on to door 18. Yeah, it's the size of door 16. So I'm gonna say a liquid lipstick. Bam bam. Ooh, it's a liquid lipstick. I'm right. Fireworks. And let's swatch it. This one looks like a fall orange lipstick. Ooh, it's very nice. Finally, a shade that can match the mood. Door 19. Ooh, it's heavy. It is stuck somewhere. What can it be? I'm gonna say a cream blush. I don't have any other ideas. And we have a concealer stick. A concealer? We know concealers are forbidden in advent calendars. I mean, how can everyone use it? It's not inclusive. And this one is in the shade FD01. It's so light. Who can use this? Also, it has some weird marks on it. The scent is
Okay.
let's see the color. Ooh, it's very, very smooth. Maybe you can mix it with other products. And door 20 looks like makeup sponges. It also sounds like something soft. Okay, let's find out. Come on, sponges. I was so close. It is a small powder puff. It is so tiny. It's so cute. I think they are $1 on Temu for 8 and also in a little case. Just a reminder. And I have used a product like this one in an upcoming video, so make sure to subscribe to see this in action. Door 21. I think this is gonna be a lipstick. And no, my friend, what is this? Is this glue? Oh, it is a lip balm. It doesn't even say pop feel. And it is definitely a clear lip balm. Oh, it's so weird. It smells like dish soap. Oh boy. Door 22. I'm gonna say a lipstick because what else can it be? Whoop! Where is this? Oh, it is a lipstick. Dun dun dun! It's the same lipstick like we got before. I'm very curious about the color. Oh, it's a red one. And again, we have marks on the lipstick and the cup is also marked with a red lipstick. Okay, it's a very soft formula and very creamy. It smells a little bit plasticky. Who chose the colors? They had something else in mind. Summer holidays in a tropical island. That's my dream vacation. 23 is at the bottom. I know what it is. Wooden sticks for the nail polish. It sounds like we have 2 or 3 in here. I found the number. I can't say these are bad products. And now the biggest surprise of them all, door 24. Oh boy.
It sounds like nothing.
Maybe a glove? But it is very small. Oh, it is wrapped. And what in the name is this? Oh, it's a necklace. Who wants this in a makeup advent calendar?
This is unexpected.
Oof, it smells very bad. So I guessed 5 products correctly. I lost this challenge, but I'm gonna do better in the next one. And the overall value is $45. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 2 stars because the color selection is terrible and most of the products smell really bad. Drop in the comments how many stars you are giving to this advent calendar and make sure to watch this video as well.